make videos. I'm new to this video shit, but my 2K is not working. Neither is any of my discs. I'm having the same problem. Clean disc. Clean disc, clean disc. Put the disc in the game. And that's the sound it makes. I don't know what it is. Everybody's solution. Hold the game. Wait. Same noise. Now, waiting for the Xbox One screen to load up. Okay. And now it's loaded. Take the game out. Clean disc, clean disc. Okay. Put the game back in. Listen. The game is supposed to automatically start when you put it in. And watch. See? And I own the game. Please, please, please. Somebody please help me. I'm going fucking nuts over here. No game? Oh, wait. Not the only game. Take it out. Advanced Warfare. Might be a little dirty because it's face down. Yeah, it's a little dirty. Let me wipe it off. Okay. Clean this. Little musk. Let's switch. Put the disc in. Oh, sorry. Put the disc in. Listen. Same sound. The game doesn't even pop up. So I know it doesn't work. Leave a couple comments or anything. Need your help ASAP, ASAP, ASAP.